Barbara. Today I'm showing you how to make a super healthy smoothie. It has a massive amount of protein, so it's really good for you. And we'll add a few strawberries that make it deliciously pink. Ready to make it? Let's go. Thanks for watching. You can find the full recipe in the video description. And be sure to subscribe and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And check out more of my videos for delicious recipes you can easily make at home. See you there.